Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Maths with Sabah. Today I am going to discuss class 9 mathematics exercise 1.2 question 4. Which of the following matrices are skew symmetric matrix? Part 1, A equal to 0, 4, minus 4, 0. What is skew symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A. So by taking transpose, we write A transpose is equal to, we write column in rows 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4, 4 0 in row 4 0. Condition is that A transpose equal to minus A. So now we find minus A. Minus A equal to 0 have no any sign 0. It become minus 4. Minus 4 become plus 4 and 0. We can see that A transpose equal to minus A. 0 minus 4, 4 0, 0 minus 4, 4 0. This implies that A transpose equal to minus A. So matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. Matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. Now we solve part 2. Part B is 0 minus 5, 5, 0. Taking transpose of matrix B. Taking transpose. In transpose we write column in rows. 0, 5 in column we write 0, 5 in row. Minus 5 and 0 in column we write minus 5 and 0 in row. Now we find minus B. 0 we write 0 as it is. Minus 5 become plus 5 become minus 5 and 0 as it is. We can see that B transpose equal to minus B. B transpose is 0 5 minus 5 0 and minus B is also 0 5 minus 5 0. This implies that B transpose equal to minus B. So matrix B is skew symmetric matrix. Now we solve the next part, part 3. Part C equal as 0, 7, 7, 0. Taking transpose, C transpose is equal to, we write rows in column 0, 7 in column in rows, 7, 0 column in rows. Now we find minus C. 0 minus 7, 0. We can see that C transpose is not equal to C. So matrix C is not a skew symmetric matrix. So matrix C is not skew symmetric. Now we solve the next part, part 4, which is part D is 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. We solve this part. Taking transpose of matrix D, we write as, in transpose we write column in rows 0 minus 3 minus 2 in row 0 minus 3 minus 2 3 0 minus 1 2 1. Now we find minus D. We write 0 as it is. 3 become minus 3, 2 become minus 2, minus 3 become 3, 0, 1 become minus 1, 2 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 0. We can see that D transpose equal to minus D. D transpose equal to minus D. So matrix D is a skew symmetric matrix. Matrix D is skew symmetric matrix. Exercise 1.2 is complete. Thank you for watching my videos.